Guys, the QR code has now been confirmed. This is the QR code you need to scan to claim your epic reward. I'll show you exactly how to get it. Just follow this process carefully, and you'll be able to receive your reward in your eFootball account. First, scan the QR code using Google Lens or any QR code scanner on your phone. Once you scan it, you'll be taken to the official eFootball event website, where you'll need to confirm your registration. Right now, the website is experiencing heavy traffic and internal server issues. Don't worry. This simply means the event hasn't officially started yet, so the page isn't fully accessible to everyone. For now, just save the QR code and keep trying to scan it from time to time. As soon as the event goes live, the website should become available. If the event requires it, connect to a Thailand VPN, preferably using a Bangkok server. Then scan the QR code again and open the eFootball event website. Log in with your Konami ID and password. Once you're signed in, link your eFootball account and claim your free chance deal from the Treasure Link event if it's available. Many users are currently seeing the message, "Sorry, this page is not accessible." This is happening because the event hasn't been opened for all global users yet. Just be patient and wait for the event to begin. The QR code will remain the same, so there's no need to worry. Stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.